Hi, my name is Nokubonga Mbandzi. I would like to wish you a happy Youth Day. My name is Nokubonga Mbandzi. I originally come from the rural areas of Port St. John's. I currently am doing my postdoc, hosted by the South African Institute for Aquatic Biodiversity in Makanda. So what inspired me to do science, I would say it's curiosity. That's how I would put it, because my career currently, I had no idea growing up that this would be something that I'll be doing. Going to high school, in the rural villages, we normally not exposed to many things, like going to the science engagement where you see all these other scientists. But then when I got to university, and then we were taken to visit some of these institutions, that's where I was inspired to see other people of different colors, different race and different age groups doing science. And I said to myself, as a female, I believe I also can do this science. I can say to explore. That's the best thing to be a young scientist. You explore, and along the way you make mistakes, but then you do learn also from the best. But my best moment, I would say, is to explore. My most memorable highlight, it will be my graduation for my PhD. It was so exciting. I normally am the person who normally gets excited by other people's achievement, but that day I saw people celebrating myself. That was so exciting, and I was honored. That has to be my best. In terms of work, normally as a researcher or scientist, we normally do research and we publish it and hoping that someone else read it and cite it. But my hope is to not only just publish and publish that research for citations only, but for it to be implemented at some point, be it someone using that method to improve, or someone using those results to actually solve whatever problems they're looking for. Yes, I would like to have an impact. The advice I'll give to my younger self is no is a full sentence, it's a complete statement. It is okay to not know everything.